dear learners, welcome to this mathematics lesson. Today we are going to solve a simultaneous linear equation, and in that case we are going to solve the value of p and the value q. I know in most cases you as a learner, maybe you have been used either to letters like x and y, but that is not always the case. Once you understand how to solve a simultaneous linear equation, whether you have been given any kind of letter or variables, you should be able to solve it the moment you understand the method of solving simultaneous linear equation. And those methods, we have elimination method. Elimination method is one of them. Then we have substitution method. It's another method of solving simultaneous linear equation. The other method is using the matrix method. And also the other method is graphical method. You should be conversant with all these topics of solving a simultaneous linear equation given two unknowns or two variables. So in our case, we have been given letter P and Q, and that is what we are going to use. And in that case, I will either use the elimination or substitution method in solving this particular question. So I want you to stay tuned as I move on. So we have the two and they are in fractional form, so we need to rewrite it in such a way that we shall be able to solve it. Now the first equation, cross multiply, get 4p is equal to 1 times q plus 1, that will be q plus 1. So this is q, so I have 4p minus 1. So that is the first equation. This is our first equation. Then we have the other equation. We cross multiply. So we have 3 to bracket p minus 3 will be equal to 2 times p plus q. Open the bracket. This is 3p minus 9 will be equal to 2p plus 2q. Collect the like terms together. So I have 3p. I take 2p to the left hand side, will be minus 2p. Will minus 9. I also take 2q to the left hand side, will be minus 2q is equal to 0. So this will be p minus 2q. Let me take minus 9 to the right hand side, will be 9. So this is the second equation. So I have this as the second equation. Therefore, I'm going to substitute equation 1 into equation 2, whereby equation 1 q is equal to 4p minus 1, and equation 2 is p minus 2, q is equal to 9. So whenever I have q, I substitute by this value. So p minus 2, q is 4, p minus 1 will be equal to 9. So this is p minus 2 times 4p, that is minus 8p, then minus 2 times minus 1, that will be plus 2 is equal to 9. Therefore p minus 8p get minus 7p will be equal to, take 2 to the right hand side, will be minus, so 9 minus 2 we have 7. Then divide it through by minus 7, divide by minus 7. Therefore I get p is equal to minus 1. Then q will be what? 4p minus 1, and in our case p is minus 1, minus 1. Therefore this is minus 5, minus 4 minus 1, we get as minus 5. Therefore our solution, p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to minus 5. That's how we solve the simultaneous linear equation. Thank you so much, as we see each other in the next lesson.